Yes. But remember, I am not a Vedic scholar. I am understanding Upanishads. I am learning. I have read, a little bit of Mandakya Upanishad and Chandakya Upanishad, in which I mentioned the story. And here is what I actually meant. In Chandakya Upanishad, Swataketu, who is the boy who wants to learn, his father teaches him, a lot of things from the scriptures and, knowledge and wisdom more than knowledge, teaches. Once he completes, he comes back, he knows everything now, he's a smart boy, but one thing remains in him, the arrogance. That arrogance is always, it exists within very knowledgeable people, but that is a negative aspect to the people who have the knowledge. So wisdom doesn't come with arrogance. Knowledge comes and then the arrogance gets built up. So the idea of a person who's wise is to kill that arrogance, and that's exactly what Swataketu's father did through that story. It is revealed to us in the Chandakya Upanishad in chapter 6. Here is how it goes. He learns, comes back, and the father sees the arrogance and realizes that that's not going to help him. So he says, go to the banyan tree and get me a seed, because I'm going to tell you some things about Tattvamasi, that which is you. It is that which is you. That's what he says, Tattvamasi. So he gets very interested, and he goes out and gets the seed. It's a small seed of a banyan tree, huge banyan tree, and the father asks him to cut it into half. He cuts it into half. And then again he says, cut that half into another half, and so on and so forth, until Swataketu tells to his father, I can't see anything more, because everything is gone. I don't see anything now. It's cut so many times into so many pieces, and now there's nothing remaining. This is exactly what the reduction theory in mathematics in modern world. And if that reduction theory is taken into Eastern philosophies, the reductionist theory. That's the philosophy in the Eastern world. This has been taught through Upanishad, which means Upanishad, come sit near me to learn. That's what Upanishad means. It is told through a story. And what do we hear today? What do we know? What do we hear all the time? Tell your concept in a story. Tell your ideas through a story. That's exactly what Upanishad did thousands and thousands of years ago. When you take an atom, a molecule is divided into an atom divided into electron, proton, and neutron. The electron revolves around the nucleus, and the nucleus is the proton and the neutron. Okay, when you further divide the subatomic particles, there comes a time when you cannot split further, because it says there is no structure to it, structure to the subatomic particles. And how many years back Upanishad has said that? Right? And how is it being told? It's told through a story. And same thing in the story of Nachiketa in the Katha Upanishad. Nachiketa is a small boy who goes to the abode of Yama and asks questions. And Yama describes those answers to a boy. That means you are learning as a boy. That's what the Upanishads, premise of the entire Upanishad, Katha Upanishad basically is. Many of Upanishad's teachings is still to be understood by the modern science.